Hi, my name is Josh Evilsizor, and today I'm going to answer a viewer question, which is, how do you create a rule for emails sent to you with your boss in the CC line? All right, so keep watching if you use Gmail or Outlook, and that's the webmail or desktop versions, and you want to know how to create rules for emails where you are in the to line and your boss is in the CC line or the to line. Here we go. So Outlook for Desktop has a number of instructions that I need to cover to explain how to do this. And here are part of them. There's also a note that I want to pause on and highlight, which is that you can only create rules where your boss is in the to or CC line. You can't actually create a rule where he's only in the CC line, and we'll cover that in a second. Here's the second half of the instructions. I'm not going to read these. We're just going to go over them during the demo, but they'll be down in the description after the video ends for you to use as you see fit. Okay, we'll cover Outlook webmail second. So let's go to the demo. Here is Outlook for Desktop, and we're going to go to Home first. There it is. 3 dots menu right here, and then we're going to go to Rules and Manage Rules and Alerts. Now that we're here, we're going to create a new rule, and then we're going to apply rule on messages I receive. There we go, and then next. All right, first we want to look for those emails that are sent to me. All right, so not sent only to me, but where my name is in the to box, where my name is in the to box. There we go. Boom. All right. The second criteria is where there are specific words in the header, message header. Here we go, with specific words in the message header. So we select that, and you can see they're both showing up down here in step 2. And we're going to go to this blue hyperlink, specific words in the message header, and we're going to add those specific words. There we go. Our boss's name is Bob Dabalina. I always miss the I there. Okay, add. There he is, and we're going to click OK. As you can see here, I can't specify CC line or to line, so that is why I gave you the note earlier that we can't specify to or CC. You're just going to get both. I think they would both be equally as important. So hopefully this workaround answers the question sufficiently, but you just can't do just CC. All right, got both of those selected. We've added the specific criteria. So, and with Bob Dabalina in the message header has now been filled in for us down there in step 2. Next, move to a specified folder. That's what we want to do based on this viewer question. All right, of course, just like before, we see move it to specified folder has showed up down below, and I need to edit that. So it pulls up all of my folders, and it's asking me, hey Josh, where do you want to put this? We don't have the folder yet, so what we're going to do is click on Inbox and create a new one, and we'll call this Boss in CC line, or CC for short. There it is. There's the folder. Click OK. We can see that it populated down here, and then next to see if we want to select exceptions. We're not going to do that today. Next again. Give this a rule name, Boss in CC. We could run it now if we want to, and then click Finish, and then Apply, and then OK. It was that simple to create this Outlook rule for your Outlook desktop client. All right. Next, we're going to do Outlook webmail. So tab over here, webmail. And I haven't done this in a hot second, so this will be fun. So 3 dots menu, rules, manage rules. You'll find it's quite a bit easier here. All right, so we're going to add a new rule, and we're going to name it Boss in CC. Select a condition. So I'm in the to line, just like before, and add another condition. Just like before, message header includes, so there it is. Enter words to look for, so Bob Dabalina. Add an action, so we're going to move it to a folder. Move to, there we go. Select a folder. We don't have the folder, so we're going to create the new folder. Boss, I can't spell, CC, click Save. Run rule now if you want to. Click save, and we are done. All right. And then finally, I wanted to show you how to do this. Oops, wrong shortcut in Gmail. And actually, what I want to show you first is Control Tab will take me back to here. And here's the instructions, should you need them. I already explained the note to you, which applies for both desktop and the webmail version of Outlook and Gmail. Okay, so these instructions are going to be pretty tough. Stay with me. You need to search, so you can use the forward slash button, and it'll take you right to search. We'll do that in a second. Type to me, and then CC, and the name of your boss. That's it. Then create the filter, and video 51 will give you the full rundown on creating the filter. So let's pivot. Yes, this is 100% possible. Spoiler alert, this is 100% possible in Gmail. So we're going to move over to our Gmail inbox. Oh, we've got some great junk mail while we've been away. All right, I pushed the / button. I'm in the search bar. Windows V will bring up my clipboard from earlier. I'm just going to go ahead and put in here to me and CC Bob Dabalina, which is my boss. I'm going to hit enter. There it is. Now I save this as a filter. That's the name of rules in Gmail, and I'm done. All right, I did warn you, you may want to use Gmail after you watch this video. What did I leave out? Nothing, that's it. Thank you very much to, I want to make sure I say this right. I looked up a video too to make sure I say it right. It's British. Lichfeldian. I think it wouldn't be Field, so I think it's Lichfeldian. It's a great cathedral in England. At Lichfeldian and Suttonian. Great username for the great question. Thank you so much. And I would also ask you to please check out related videos linked below. Once again, if this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps the channel. And don't forget that you can get at me in the outline. There's contact info and all that fun stuff. And please leave questions, because if you leave questions, I will leave answers. Have a great day.